First thing you need to do is remove the 7mm screws that hold on this protective cover. You just need to pull the cover down once you have the 3 bolts out, and then all you have to do is remove the electrical connector that is up here and give the motor a twist. I'll remove the motor first, that way it'll be easier for you guys to see the electrical connector. You're going to grab the motor body firmly, and you need to move this little tab down. You're going to pull it down, kind of bending it. Then you can turn the motor just like that, and the whole thing will drop out. Here's another look at that tab, just like that. You'll see it's plastic, it's thin, it's easy to bend. Then right back here we have our connector. You're just going to push down on this piece here and pull out. Your new motor may look exactly like your old one, or it may have a pigtail like this one. This is one from a local auto parts store, or you can get OEM one that just plugs straight into the body. Either way, it's going to be the exact same connector. You just push it until it locks. Whenever you're going to put your motor back in, make sure that tab that you bent down is in the proper position, that when you put it up in there and turn it to the right to tighten it that little bit, it's going to be in the correct area. Watch out for this foam ring right here. This is your seal. You don't want air leaking past this. If it gets pushed out of the way, you'll kind of see it drop down. So try to get the motor up in place, nice and straight. All right, I have our motor held in place. Our tab is right there. We're going to do a right hand turn till it clicks into place while giving good upward pressure. That is what the tab looks like when it is securely locked into position, and you will not be able to move the blow motor back and forth. All that's left to do now is put our cover back in place and our 3 7mm bolts, and that is it. The easiest blower motor replacement you can do.